going on, yo? What is up? What is up? It's your boy Straight Up Reviews. How is everybody out there doing on a Sunday? All my notification squads watching this video, get ready to leave me some great comments, leave me some likes as well. All the newcomers, I just want to say, go ahead and, hop on the bandwagon on Straight Up Reviews and hit that, subscribe button if you love the channel as well. But right here, what I got to my right-hand side right here is a product from FIFINE, which is a, a microphone that you can use for gaming, streaming, music as well, at your desk, or whatever, type of, business type of work or any type of hobbies that you love to do out there. The company was dedicated, because for the simple fact that they kept hitting me up every day in my emails. I love you guys for that. And they wanted me to, actually review their, product as well. I wanted to tell you guys, to the people at FIFINE, thank you, and all the, customer service there, the employees there that you guys having, as well, dedicated to reaching out to YouTubers and, things like that, people there as well, I'm saying, really, really, generous, stuff like that. But what's going on? We're going to open up this box and see what we got going on up in here. And like I said, y'all, it's about to be Christmas in about, what, 2 more weeks? Let's open up this FIFINE product and see what we got going on up in here. And we're going to review it, and we're going to just test it out and see what we got going on up in here. Okay. Oh, okay. It's looking very, very nice up in here. That's what's up, FIFINE. Let's see what we got going on up in here. FIFINE, let me see, Technologies right here. We need this right here. The product right here in the hand is the meat and the potatoes, baby. Yeah. So anyways, as you guys can see right here in the front, it says FIFINE, and it's got a microphone right there with a, gooseneck thing right here going up to it. And let me quit talking so dang much and get it up out of here. Okay, so let me see, we got some little okay, so they sell different type of microphone products as well, because you guys already know that I am into the music as well. I got a couple of microphones that I use, so I'm basically gonna check out more of their products as well to see what I could do. So FIFINE, this is right here is the K052 microphone. This is the user guide right here that you guys can see right here as well. Okay, let's open it up and see what we got going on right here. Let's see what FIFINE is bringing to the table. FIFINE Technology, baby. Oh my gosh, I love it when these companies, reach out to, people that is, doing it, for their channels and doing it for the companies out there and doing it for the people out there as well. So anyways, okay, I like this, sponge wrapping because it's in there nice and neatly, saying it's not, in there all clumsy and everything where it can just bash around the box and mess up right there. That gooseneck microphone looks nice. I'm telling you guys, for something to be like a starter microphone, just to have right there, just to stream on, Twitch, stream your games on YouTube as well. Anywhere you stream your games, or having like podcasting as well. That's what you can actually use this microphone for. Okay, look at this right here. Oh man, it's got this metal polling right here. It's very, very nice and structured and bendable right there. I'm so glad it's not cheaply made. This right here is not even plastic right there, and that is an A+ for FIFINE Technology as well. And what I like about right here, this microphone comes with a little microphone cover. Let's take it off and see what we got going on right here. See what the actual microphone talkable looks like right here. Okay, so here's what we got right there. Right there's what you talk through. Yeah, what's up, y'all? This is Straight Up Reviews, baby. We about to get down with some gaming. Make sure you guys rate, comment, subscribe. But yeah, so we're gonna put this back on here to show you guys some more what it has right here. And I'm loving the little this is a mute button right there. It has a mute button right there. Like I said, it is very, very, portable in this, confined space right there. You can just put it right there and just, just talk, with the, fans of the channel, with anybody. Like, you could have it with the meetings and, stuff like that. So anyways, we're going to test it out, y'all. And like I said, y'all, thank y'all for coming through the, Straight Up Reviews videos. And we're going to, test it out right here with my MacBook right there. Let's see what we got going on right here. Make sure everything is lit up to the specifications, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, okay, let's see what we got going on here, y'all. Give me a minute here, y'all. Hold on right here. We're gonna test it out in GarageBand. Let me make sure it ain't turned up all the way, because I don't want anything to sound muffled. I want you guys to hear it in the back of this speaker, jamming it up. Okay, here we go. It's the Straight Up Reviews. I love all of my subscribers because they love my videos. They saying everything is cool because I love to keep everything smooth. Okay, let's see what we got going on here, y'all. Let's see. Let's stop it and let's jam it up. It's the straight up reviews. I love all of my subscribers because they love my videos. They saying everything is cool. Yeah. You know I love to keep everything smooth. Y'all like that right there? Okay, let's see what we got going on here, y'all. Let's see. Okay. There we go, right there. Okay, as I bring you guys more up and close personal with the FIFINE microphone, the K052 right there. As you guys can see with the slick pole right there, I am so glad it's not plastic. I'm so, happy right now. There's, basically like a metaling that goes down here. It's so compact. You get a pretty long cord right there, as you guys can see. Right here, it has the, mute button and also the go button, meaning that it's unmuted right there, as you guys can press right here. It has a volume right there. I'm loving this little volume right there because you can actually turn it down and up right here by turning this little, gauging button right there. It makes you feel like you is actually into a studio as well. Like I said, you can use this for podcasting or anything that you needing to do with your hobbies that you like. Now, right here, as you guys can see, as this volume strip right here on the GarageBand is going, that means right now the microphone is working from the FIFINE Technology. Now, we is going to do it again right here and show you guys more in depth right there. Here we go. I want to thank you, FIFINE Technology, for sending me this microphone. It's very, very, very needy. All my subscribers need to check this video out and go get you a FIFINE Technology microphone. Yeah, go get you a microphone. I want to thank you, FIFINE Technology. Y'all hear that? For sending me this microphone. It's very, very, very needy. All my subscribers need to check this video out and go get you a FIFINE Technology microphone. Yeah. Thank you for checking out my video of the FIFINE Technology gooseneck microphone right there. You can use for Twitch, you can use for streaming, you can use for podcasts. Thank you, FIFINE Company. Love you guys out there and have a happy holidays from the Straight Up Reviews. Yeah.